everybody, and welcome back. Today we're going to try something different. I got a few clips this weekend, so I thought I would do it differently and kind of do a little story time and just explain everything that we had going on. It was like the long weekend after Thanksgiving, so we had the Thanksgiving video, and then we also had the Black Friday video where I went to the Christmas Story house with my mom. So this video is going to be Saturday and Sunday, which we didn't leave the house, so that's why our clips are a little shorter, and we decorated for Christmas and everything, so it's a lot of montages. So we started off our nice weekend at home watching the Ohio State game. If you were wondering what every single person in the state of Ohio was doing today, is this.
Buckeyes.
Specifically, Buckeyes versus Michigan.
Go! Whoa! Come on, man!
It's stressful.
I think my heart can take. This is all first half.
Yeah.
It's only the first half.
So updates on the game. It is
24-19.
some shit just hit the fan, y'all.
Michigan scored 2 touchdowns in 6 seconds. That's not unacceptable. Unacceptable. But we were able to take it down the field in 45 seconds and score 3 points. Should have been 7, but what can you do?
Anything else?
24-19, and this second half, I might take a double blood pressure medicine.
Honestly, he needs it.
Mm-hmm.
So you might be wondering why, if you guys are such Ohio State fans, are you sitting at home watching the game? Because this sir here should not be allowed in public whenever
I have a filthy
the games
mouth.
come on.
Filthy.
We also ordered. You know, it's not a football Saturday unless we've ordered pizza. And if you're ever in the Akron area, Giannino's Pizzeria is the absolute best pizza you will get. Now the wings, they're all right. As you probably know by my Instagram bio, I am a chicken wing enthusiast, but they're all right. But their pizza, we already ate pretty much half of it. So good. Score is what? 54-32.
After the extra point, 55-32.
Sunday morning, we decided to decorate the Christmas tree. And then later on Sunday, we actually decided to do some decorations on the outside of our house. And And then Sunday night, I decided to try a DIY craft at 9 p.m. at night. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that was our weekend. It's Monday now, so it's a fresh week. We didn't vlog or anything today, but hopefully throughout the week we can get some clips. I'm trying to talk Ryan into doing Vlogmas, but he's a little weary, so we'll see. Other than that, thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Comment down below if you want to say what's up, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.